Are you facing the Windows resource protection could not perform the requested operation error while running the SFC command? In this video, you will see fixes for this error. Before we start this detailed guide, press the like button and subscribe to our channel in case you forget later. Run Check Disk Tool. You might be facing Windows resource protection could not perform the requested operation due to some issue in the hard disk. You can run the Check Disk tool to see if there are no issues on your hard drive. To do that, click on Start and type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt, then choose Run as Administrator. On command prompt, type chk dsk space c://r. Now hit Enter. It will ask to schedule the check disk on the next startup because the drive is currently in use. Type Y and hit Enter. Then restart your PC. The Check Disk tool will start checking your disk for errors. It will take some time, so you have to be patient. Now check if the issue is resolved. Let's thank our sponsor MalwareFox for this video. MalwareFox gets rid of hidden malware from your computer. It is a simple yet effective anti-malware software providing protection against adware, spyware, ransomware, keyloggers, and all modern cyber threats. Check the description below to download for free. Run SFC in safe mode. Another thing you can try is to run the SFC in safe mode. Type msconfig at the start, open System Configuration, click on the Boot tab, then check the Safe Boot box. Click Apply and then restart your PC. It will start in safe mode. Now open the command prompt. Then run the SFC command here. If it is still not working, try the next fix. Modify security descriptors in WinSXS folder. WinSXS folder contains several necessary files. If the SFC couldn't access this folder, it will show an error. So we have to modify the security descriptors for this folder. To do that, run the command prompt as administrator. Now type ICA CLS space C://Windows /WinSXS. Now hit Enter. Restart your computer and check if the SFC is running correctly or not. Enable the Windows Module Installer. If the Windows Module Installer is disabled, it could also cause issues. To enable it, press Windows + R. Now type services.msc and hit Enter. Locate the Windows Module Installer. Open it. Now click the Start button. Run the DISM Tool. The Windows resource protection could not perform the required operation error could be due to corrupted system files. The DISM tool lets you restore the system files in their original state. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Now type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Press the Enter button. It will take some time to complete the process. Once it is finished, check if the SFC is working or not. Repair your PC. If none of these fixes solve your issue, the last resort for you is to repair your PC. To repair your PC, you need to download Windows installation media. Then create a bootable USB or DVD. Boot your PC with it. Now here, select Repair your PC. Troubleshoot. Now click on Startup Repair. Now follow the instructions to complete the startup repair. That's it for this video. If you have any questions and suggestions, drop them below and share this useful video with your friends. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your likes and comments motivate us to create such videos. Don't forget to press the bell button to receive alerts for videos on Windows 10 tips and tricks.